10 knots. Waves 1 foot. Thursday, east winds 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 foot or less. Friday through Saturday, southwest winds around 5 knots. Waves 1 foot or less. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following, Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland, Choptank River, and Pawtuxet River. Small craft advisory in effect from 11 a.m. Wednesday to 8 a.m. Thursday. The National Weather Service in Baltimore, Maryland/Washington has issued a small craft advisory, which is in effect from 11 a.m. Wednesday to 8 a.m. Thursday. A small craft advisory means winds of 18 to 33 knots are imminent or occurring. Boaters operating smaller vessels should avoid navigating in these conditions. The 6 p.m. observation in Baltimore. At BWI Airport, fair skies. The temperature was 79 degrees. Dew point 56. Humidity was 45%. Winds were east at 8 miles an hour and the barometric pressure was 30.07 inches and steady. Now for some observations from the surrounding area. At the Inner Harbor, 77 degrees. At Annapolis, the temperature was 81. Winds northeast at 7 miles an hour. At Martin State Airport, mostly sunny. Temperature 77 degrees. East wind at 3. At Westminster, the temperature was 79. Winds east at 5 miles an hour. At Washington National Airport, fair. 78 degrees. East wind at 7. At Pawtuxet River Naval Air Station, partly sunny skies. It was 77. At Wilmington, fair skies. It was 79. Wind northeast at 10 miles an hour. At York, fair skies. It was 77. Wind east at 3 miles an hour. At New York, fair skies. 75. Wind north at 16 miles an hour, gusting to 25. At Philadelphia, fair skies. 78. Wind north at 12 miles an hour, gusting to 20. At Raleigh, partly sunny skies. 82. Wind east at 7 miles an hour. Now 45 degrees. Wind east at 9 knots. 15 miles east of Fenwick Island, the wind was northeast at 60 knots, gusting to 19, and the ocean was 73 degrees. Seas were 5 feet. Here is a look at the weather features that will affect the region over the next several days. A cold front to our south will yield to high pressure building southward from Quebec. A few lingering showers may track across southern Maryland and into central Virginia through this afternoon, but much of the region will remain dry. As the aforementioned high builds over the region the remainder of the week, dry conditions and cooler temperatures are expected. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Baltimore metro area and the surrounding KEC listening area. Rest of this afternoon, sunny. Highs in the upper 70s. Temperatures steady or slowly falling through late afternoon. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows around 60 in the downtown areas. 80s. Lows in the mid-60s. Monday, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-80s. Lows in the lower 60s. This hazardous weather outlook is for the Maryland portion of the Chesapeake Bay, tidal Potomac River, and adjacent counties in central Maryland and northern Virginia as well as the District of Columbia. Day 1, today and tonight. No hazardous weather is expected at this time. Days 2 through 7, Wednesday through Monday. No hazardous weather is expected at this time. Spotter information statement, spotter activation is not expected at this time. Now for the National Weather Service marine forecast for the northern Chesapeake Bay and adjoining